Welcome, tech enthusiasts, developers, and DevOps professionals. You've tuned into Uncommon DevOps Wisdom brought to you by Uncommon Sense Consulting. We're here to unravel the complex world of DevOps and make it accessible and understandable for everyone. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your journey, we promise to offer you insights and wisdom to help you navigate the ever-evolving landscape of DevOps. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: infrastructure as code, a revolutionary approach that's reshaping the way we perceive and handle DevOps practices. So, buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey into the world of infrastructure as code. Ever pondered on how DevOps practices have evolved over time, or how they can be further refined to increase efficiency and productivity? Well, today, we delve deep into one of the game-changing approaches that is redefining the DevOps landscape: infrastructure as code, or IaC. So what exactly is infrastructure as code? Simply put, it is a method to manage and provision computing infrastructure with machine-readable definition files rather than physical hardware configuration or interactive configuration tools. To understand the evolution of IaC, we need to journey back to the early days of computing. In the beginning, there was the mainframe. Everything was centralized and changes were made manually, which was time-consuming and prone to human error. As technology advanced, the era of physical servers dawned. But here too, manual configuration was the norm, leading to what we now refer to as configuration drift. The dawn of virtualization and cloud computing around the mid-2000s brought a significant shift. It became possible to create, duplicate, and move entire virtual machines, including their operating systems, applications, and configurations. But still, managing these resources manually was a challenge. And that's where infrastructure as code stepped in. IaC took birth in the late 2000s, emerging as a response to the need for a more efficient way to manage the increasingly complex IT infrastructure. It provided a way to automate the process and reduce the risk of human error. With IaC, infrastructure got treated as software. You could write code to define and provision your infrastructure, which could then be versioned and reused just like any other software code. Fast forward to the present day, and IaC has become a cornerstone of modern DevOps practices. It plays a crucial role in automating the deployment process, making it faster, more efficient, and less prone to errors. So, what's the big deal about infrastructure as code? Why has it become such an integral part of DevOps? Firstly, IaC brings consistency. Since the infrastructure is defined in code, it can be versioned, shared, and reused, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. This eliminates the problem of configuration drift that plagued the old systems. Secondly, IaC enables speed and agility. With the infrastructure defined in code, it's possible to quickly set up, modify, and tear down environments. This supports the DevOps philosophy of continuous integration and continuous delivery. Thirdly, IaC enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks. This frees up the DevOps teams to focus on more strategic tasks, boosting overall productivity. And finally, IaC improves reliability and reduces risk. Since the infrastructure is defined in code, it can be tested, validated, and reviewed, just like any other software code. This helps catch issues early and reduces the risk of deployment failures. In conclusion, infrastructure as code has revolutionized the way DevOps teams manage and provision infrastructure. It has brought consistency, speed, and reliability to the process, making it an indispensable tool in the modern DevOps toolkit. As we move forward, the role of IaC will only become more critical as businesses continue to seek ways to improve efficiency and productivity in their DevOps practices.